Imagine starting your career in a warehouse lifting boxes day by day. You have dreams, big dreams, but every day feels like you're miles away from them. Has anyone ever told you that you can't succeed because of where you started? I know the feeling. I didn't have a computer science degree and English is my first language, yet here I am, a Python web developer in the heart of London. And I'm here to tell you, just because you started in a job you hate doesn't mean you have to stay there. You can work your way up to where you want to be. My journey began in a small Romanian town. I didn't grow up with access to resources or roadmap to success. My first job? A typewriter operator. Not glamorous, but it paid the bills. Then I moved to London, and with that came a series of odd jobs. Cake baker, delivery driver, warehouse operator. These weren't just jobs, they were steps on a path I didn't fully understand yet. I remember one day, while working in the warehouse, thinking, is this it? Is this all it is? I knew I wanted more, but how? No degree, no formal background in tech, just a lot of hope and relentless drive. Then one day, I discovered something that changed everything. A book called Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. It opened a door I didn't even know was there. That small moment led to countless nights, hours of self-study and endless trial and error. I was hooked. Now, don't get me wrong, I was nowhere near good at it in the beginning. I still remember my first coding error. A simple syntax mistake that had me questioning everything. But little by little I learned, and each small step brought me closer to a new reality. Fast forward to today, I'm a Python web developer in London working on projects that I once thought were impossible. And here's what I've learned. Every single job, every late night tutorial, every setback, they all added up. They made me resilient, persistent, and most importantly, capable of change. If you're starting out in an industry where everyone else seems more qualified, remember, it's about the journey and the lesson you pick up along the way. Each struggle is preparing you for the next step. I want you to remember this. Your starting point doesn't define your destination. Whatever you're doing right now, keep pushing forward. The smallest step can lead to the highest breakthroughs. If I could make it, so you can. If my story resonates with you, subscribe for more content on navigating a non-traditional path to success. Comment below. Tell me where you're starting from. Let's support each other on this journey. See you in the next one.